Celebrating Ramadan in Pakistan, traditions and festivities. As Ramadan approaches, Pakistani households buzz with preparations. Kitchens are stocked, and hearts are set with intentions, aligning actions towards a month dedicated to fasting, prayer, and charity. It's a time when families come together, planning to make the most of this blessed month. The sighting of the crescent moon heralds the beginning of Ramadan in Pakistan, sparking joy and anticipation. This celestial sign ushers in a month of fasting, reflection, and community, marking a period of spiritual significance that deeply resonates across the nation. Community prayers and tarawih become the nightly rhythm across mosques in Pakistan, echoing the unity of faith. These gatherings not only strengthen individual beliefs but weave a stronger communal fabric, as worshippers stand shoulder to shoulder in devotion and prayer. The culinary journey of Sehri marks the start of each fasting day with traditional dishes that nourish body and soul. Before dawn breaks, families gather to share meals that are both a reminder of cultural heritage and a fuel for the day's fast. Ramadan in Pakistan is a time when the spirit of charity shines brightest. The practices of zakat and sadaqah become a focal point, encouraging Muslims to extend a helping hand to those in need. This period not only purifies the soul but also strengthens the bonds within the community, as giving becomes a collective endeavor. As the sun sets, Pakistani households bustle with excitement for iftar. This is a moment of joy and gratitude, where friends and family gather to break their fast together. The spread of delicious foods fosters a sense of unity and love, making each evening a celebration of togetherness and faith. The anticipation for Ramadan is palpable in every corner of Pakistan, as the crescent moon heralds the beginning of this sacred month. This celestial sign is eagerly awaited, marking a time of reflection, devotion, and renewal for the faithful. It symbolizes a fresh start, with the promise of spiritual growth and enlightenment. Community prayers and tarawih become the heartbeat of mosques across Pakistan, echoing the essence of togetherness. These nightly gatherings are a testament to the strength of faith, as worshippers stand shoulder to shoulder, immersed in prayer and contemplation. It's a powerful display of unity and devotion, reinforcing the communal spirit of Ramadan. The culinary journey of Sehri is one of tradition and nourishment, setting the tone for the day ahead. Families wake up before dawn to partake in meals that are both comforting and energizing. These traditional dishes are not just about sustenance but also carry the warmth of shared heritage, making the pre-dawn meal a cherished ritual. Fasting during Ramadan in Pakistan is not just a spiritual endeavor but also a matter of health consciousness. Observers take this time to detoxify both spiritually and physically, embracing a simpler diet. However, it's crucial to stay hydrated and consume nutrient-rich foods at Sehri and iftar to maintain energy levels throughout the day. Crafting spiritual goals becomes a pivotal part of Ramadan, offering a chance for personal development and self-reflection. Many in Pakistan use this time to strengthen their faith, improve patience, and work on personal shortcomings. It's a month where spiritual self-improvement takes center stage, fostering a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment. The economic fabric of Pakistan sees a notable shift during Ramadan. Local businesses thrive as the demand for traditional foods, clothing, and festive items surges. This period is crucial for small vendors and shopkeepers, who prepare months in advance to cater to the increased consumer activity. Across the diverse provinces of Pakistan, Ramadan weaves a rich cultural tapestry that showcases the country's multifaceted heritage. From the serene Sehri in the mountains to the vibrant iftar bazaars in urban centers, each region offers a unique experience of this holy month, highlighting the unity and diversity of Pakistani culture. Historical mosques in Pakistan become focal points of worship and community during Ramadan. These ancient structures, steeped in history, see an influx of believers seeking solace and connection with the divine. The atmosphere within these mosques is one of profound reverence and communal harmony, reflecting the spirit of Ramadan. The importance of itikaf becomes evident in the last 10 days of Ramadan, as devoted individuals seek closeness to God through seclusion and prayer. Mosques become retreats for those wishing to deepen their faith and reflect on their spiritual journey. Laylatul Qadr, or the Night of Decree, is observed with great reverence, believed to be better than 1,000 months. Special prayers and recitations fill the night, as believers seek God's mercy, forgiveness, and blessings, hoping their prayers will be answered. The transition from Ramadan to Shawwal is smooth yet reflective, urging Muslims to maintain the spirit of Ramadan throughout the year. The emphasis is on continuing acts of worship, charity, and community service, fostering a sense of goodwill and compassion in everyday life. Environmental consciousness during Ramadan in Pakistan has become a pivotal aspect of the holy month. Sustainable practices are increasingly adopted in homes and communities, emphasizing the reduction of waste and the use of eco-friendly materials to uphold the spirit of conservation and mindfulness. As Pakistani expatriates observe Ramadan around the world, they foster global connections that transcend geographical boundaries. These observances not only keep the essence of the holy month alive, but also promote cultural exchange and mutual understanding among diverse communities, enriching the Ramadan experience.